guys, it's me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. You saw the title. Um, this is, how did I say this? This is my last round at the SAS. It is emotionally draining at this point, and I went to 3 stores today. And y'all, when I tell you, one store didn't even have any 75% off items left. None. Absolutely none left. And then I went to one store because I called around to a lot of stores trying to find out about 75% off candles. My store finally said they may be getting some in tomorrow. I don't even care. From the calls that I've seen, the 75% off candles is ones I already got some of, and I don't need duplicates, so I'm over it. I'm over the 75% off 3-wick candles. And then the store that I called, they said they had them. Went there, the selection they had stank. Stanky candles is all they had for 75% off. So I was like, you know what? I am tired. I am drained of going to the sale. The selection gets worse and worse by the day. So if you caught the first couple days, you did good, because I'm telling you, the sale is going downhill pretty quickly. And that normally what happens with the winter one. So I would say definitely order offline. Use Ebates. The link will be below. Get Cashback, because that's giving you the best deal going on Bath & Body Works site. I know I don't have that much energy, y'all. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to show you the Bath & Body Works stuff. Then I have some stuff that's not Bath & Body Works. So it's like a collective haul. And I know people wanted to know about the number 7 skincare collection. So I want to go ahead and do a separate video for that. It'll be up next week about how I've been able to get my skin to glow. Because, just a little spoiler, that line works when they say you get healthier, clearer skin. Look at that. I have on no makeup or nothing. This is my hyperpigmentation, of course, but I have on no makeup and my skin looks pretty darn clear besides my hyperpigmentation. So I will do a review on that. I just want to get this done so I can put this stuff away, because y'all, I can't believe I'm finally saying this. I don't want to go to Bath & Body Works. I'm tired of recording Bath & Body Works videos. I am drained of doing it, so I don't want to do it. So this is going to be it. So let's just enjoy this last go round for 2018. So I was able to find one of the new, I guess it's supposed to be the food line or the Sweet Shop 2.0. I don't know what this line is supposed to be called, but I found the banana bundt cake. It's not even online, these candles, yet. And I found this one. They're not on sale. They're $24.50. Save your receipt, because if they do go on sale within the next 7 to 14 days, depending on your store, you can go ahead and get a price adjustment. Call your store to see if it's the 7-day or the 14. But I finally got banana bundt cake. Now, only one I need now that I really want is the hot fudge sundae. I need 2 of those. I only got one of the banana bundt cake because it smells good, but it's nothing I think I need a duplicate of. I think once I get done with it, yeah, I'm gonna be done. You can smell that banana in it. It reminds me a little bit of banana milkshake with that taffy banana. It has a Laffy Taffy banana smell to it, so it's kind of like a candy kind. I don't know. But I only got one, because once I smelled that, I was like, I don't need a whole bunch of this one. But I know the hot fudge sundae is going to be right up my alley. So when I see that, I'm getting 2. They said they still don't have it, so hopefully it'll come in the shipment this week. I'm not going to haul it for you guys. I'll bring you a review on the candle, but I'm not hauling it. Okay? I'm just not. So let's go on to the other store where I got no candle. Wait, I did get a candle. Even though their 75% candles suck, I just said, you know what? Give me a 50% off candle, y'all. And I paid for a 50% off candle because I was just fed up at that point. But it was a candle I really wanted. This is the cherry snow cone. Looks just like that. I got it for half cost, so do the math. It's normally $24.50. Do the math, y'all. I think $12.25 is what this candle costs. Plus, I used a 10 off 40. So, oh, it smells so good. It reminds me of summertime soda. And yes, I could have waited to see if I could get it for 75% off, but I'm done waiting. So, it is what it is. But it smells really good, and I really do like this packaging. So this is going to look really nice in the summer. So I was like, why not get it? Plus, the top is white. It's just, everything about it is just cute in summertime. So 50% off. I just said, let's just do it. Let's do it, all right? I did it. One thing I didn't like about this store, this is the one at the Lakeline Mall. Their 75% stuff had gunk on it. Like, a lot of the stuff had gunk on it. And I was like, ew, that's so unappealing. Like, who's going to buy that? But people was going through grabbing. I was like, oh, that stuff got gunk on it. So I found some items that didn't have gunk on it, and I did pick them up. One item really surprised me and I'm really happy about, and it's this, the True Blue Shea Butter Super Rich Shower Cream. Lay it on thick. Y'all, this normally runs $16.50. I got this for $3 and some change. That is a great deal. And it smells pretty good. And it's in shea butter. So if I can find True Blue Spotline, y'all know I'm gonna pick it up. So had to have that one. I wanted to finish my Happy Vibes collection, and the lady at the store was telling me Happy Vibes is leaving. They're going to be getting rid of it, so they say. But you know how sometimes Bath and Body Works say, we getting rid of this, it's about to go, it's about to go, and they don't go nowhere. Or they take a break and bring it back. But I went ahead and got the shower gel. It looks like that. Again, I got one that ain't had no gunk on it, because a lot of them did. And Happy Vibes is pink citrus, crisp pear, fresh honeysuckle, and sheer vetiver, and dewy orchid. You know what I'm talking about. So I got that in the body wash. And I got it in the body cream because they didn't have the regular lotion. So I was stuck getting a body cream. But it is what it is, and I just love the packaging. It's really cute. So I picked that up. And then I got a ton of wallflowers because y'all know $3 for wallflowers, that is a great deal. And I have, let me think how many plugs. 1, 2, 3. I have 6 plugs throughout my entire, no, 7 plugs. I have one in my closet too. So I have 7 plugs. So you gotta think every 30 days I'm going through at least 7 of these wallflowers. So on sale for $3, yes please. So I did rack up on these wallflowers. I got a crushed candy cane. I like that for my bedroom. I love the scent of that. And I got 2 of them. And this one is a pearberry. Pearberry smells really good. I didn't think I was gonna like it because I don't like pearberry in the body care. It don't smell good to me in the body care that much. But as a candle, it smells really good. You know, when I had the little testers, it smelled really good. So I was like, I'll give pearberry a try. So I got that one. I think I got multiple pearberries. Let me just open this up. No, I just got 2. So I have 2 pearberries in here. And then I have 2 more of the cucumber melon, because you can't have too many cucumber melons. So I got 2 more of those. And I think that was everything. Was that everything? No, it's not, y'all. I have a little bit more. But wait, there's more. I have a little bit more. I found the Cocoa Shea Cucumber Moisturizing Body Oil. 75% off. This is going to be so nice in the summertime on your skin. Like the smell, everything. This is, I cannot wait. When I tell you, your man going to eat you up. Oh my goodness. It smells so good. This is, I almost dropped it. This is going to be perfect in the summertime. Again, it's the Cocoa Shea Cucumber. If you see it, get it. Don't think about it, get it. I got the Wild Madagascar Vanilla, 75% off $14. This is normally with the retired fragrances, and they're like $6, $7 each. So to get it for $3 and some change, why not? Or $4 and some change, whatever it was. I can't remember, but yeah, I got that. And I got the Pink Lily and Bamboo with Tahitian Manoi oil, and I got just the lotion. The rest of the body care was part of the 50% off, so it's like, why was this lotion with 50%? I mean 75%, and everything else was with 50%. I don't get it, but they wasn't getting those 50% off money from me, so it smells so good. So I got that. So that's all the Bath and Body Works stuff I got. Again, I'm gonna go back to get 2 of the Hot Fudge Sundae candles when they come out. It's nothing else I need. What is my hair doing? When the first comes, of course, there's no more body care buying, which at this point I don't even care if I don't get any more into the next semi-annual sale. At first I was like, ooh, can I make it? I'm gonna get a little antsy. But after going in there for the umpteenth time today, I'm just like, me and Bath and Body Works, like, boo. We ain't breaking up, but we need a break. We need a vacation. So me and Bath and Body Works going to take a vacation when it comes to body care and all that. But like I said, I am going to go back and get the candles. And if Wallflowers has a nice deal, I'll be in there for that. So don't worry. You'll see at least one haul a month from Bath and Body Works. You just won't see anybody care. And there's nothing wrong with that. So that's that. And I have a few other items that I wanted to show you guys. They kind of were like Christmas presents that I got myself earlier in the month. And one was actually a gift from Urban Decay. And I wanted to show you guys really quick. So the first thing, it was the gift that I gave myself at the beginning of the month, is the Patrick Star MAC. This is the Baby It's Gold Outside. It's his highlighter or mineralized skin finish. Oh my god, look how big it is. By Patrick Star. Oh my goodness. And it looks just like this. I cannot wait. Y'all, I cannot wait. Like, I used it once and it is absolutely beautiful. But I did want to bring it to your attention just in case if it's still available on MAC, if you wanted to pick it up. The packaging is just everything. That Patrick Star winter collection was absolutely everything. But I didn't need too much, so I didn't get too much. But I wanted to show you guys this. I did pick up some new volcanic clay detoxifying Hawaiian towelettes from Alba Botanica. These were only $2. My HEB had them on clearance, so I picked them up just to give them a try to compare them to the Dollar Tree ones. And they were $1 more, so that's not too bad. And then the last item is my gift from Urban Decay. I am so excited about this. Oh my god, wait till I show you guys. So it says, life is messy, your makeup shouldn't be. Holla back, youngin'. Woo, woo, okay? So they sent me over the Urban Decay All-Nighter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. They sent me the travel size, which is the 30 ml, and they sent me the 118 ml. I'll leave the links for, you know, this below because they have it at Ulta, they have it at Sephora, you know, anywhere Urban Decay is sold. And it's so funny they sent this over to me because I just ran out of the Urban Decay Cherry, the Naked Cherry one, the spray. I used up all the cherry spray. So that's it, guys. That's everything that I got. Final SAS haul. Final. I know you're like, girl, you gonna go back, and look at me in my face, like sometimes be laughing, giggling, and I go back. I'm done. I don't want anything else. I'm done dealing with the store. I'm done hunting for a candle. I'm done. When the store gets the one candle that I'm looking for, the hot fudge sundae, I'm done. Like, only haul y'all gonna see is wallflowers and candles, and I'm okay with that. My pockets are okay with that, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. From everything I showed you, what was your favorite item? Definitely let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys for riding out with me. 5 hauls, 5 days in a row of Bath and Body Works. 5 days in a row of Bath and Body Works hauls. I hope my Bath and Body Works people loved it. My Dollar Tree people, I know you probably didn't really love it. My makeup people, I know you probably really didn't love it. But guys, hey, this was Bath and Body Works moment. We give them their moment. Now, starting in the new year, because the next video will come out on January 1, Jan 1. And that video actually is going to be my first Dollar Tree haul of the year. So y'all will be happy. And then the video after that is going to be on the skincare from number 7. So my skincare people will be happy. Then the video after that is probably going to be a get ready with me, my first day back at work. So my makeup people will be happy. So I have videos and videos for everybody. Just we let the Bath and Body Works people have their moment, okay, guys? So thank you for watching. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe. I love you guys. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.